Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials and we are talking about assembly drawings. Now let's just click on File and create a new drawing. Click OK and let's just select this A2 ISO standard. Now there are several ways, as you know, how to add or insert parts or assemblies, so we can click Browse here, or click there and click Browse there, or we can just go to our Explorer and select parts or assemblies and just drag them in. So let's just take this and drag it, and as you can see it says copy. Now when you do that, you can we can specify exploded view or not. Let's just not have exploded view. Let's just add this front view. So click there, OK, and well, it's quite big. Okay, let's just make this a bit smaller. Use custom scale. Let's say 2 to 1. Oh, sorry, 1 to 2. Okay. Now, if for some reason you want to have multiple parts or multiple assemblies on one sheet, you can do that, and you just need to make it look neat and add annotations, for example, or notes about which part is which. So basically, if we have this assembly view, we can just create notes saying assembly. Okay, and if we want to, let's say, add some other parts, for example, if we have really simple assemblies, we don't have to use many sheets for that. We can just create one sheet and add everything, even our assemblies and our parts, so we can, when we print that, we can easily see everything that we need for that simple assembly. Now let's just go back to our bypass of all folder and let's just add some of these parts. So for example, if we have really simple parts like that need only 1 or 2 views, we can add multiple of those. So let's just add, for example, hex bolt here. Click OK. Let's just add it like that. You need to add notes saying hex bolt, for example, quantity 8, I think. Click OK. You can add material as well if you want to, and you can add your annotations here as well. Also, you can, for example, add these rings, so really small parts. Let's just choose this view only, yeah, like this, and then we can add another dimension for this outside diameter, and then we can also add, for example, in a note, say O-ring and say thickness, for example 1 inch, never mind. So basically this is how you can add multiple parts on one sheet and use really good drawings and put everything on one sheet and just print it out and get everything ready for manufacturing. Now if you want to delete these, it's quite simple. You just click on it and you just press the delete key on your keyboard, or you can select them and right click and click delete. So basically this is how you add multiple parts or multiple assemblies on one sheet, and how you can, and for what can you use that. Now let's just close that and that be it.